Students, we are given this question. Find the equation of the circle described on the chord 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0 of the circle x squared positive y squared is equal to 16 as diameter. So the understanding is that you are given a circle. Say imagine, let me have this circle like this, and you have the diameter. Okay, so I'm drawing the diameter like this. So this is the axis, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So the diameter is over here. So this is also called as the chord, and it has the equation 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0. Now we are expected to find the equation of the circle described on the chord 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0. So the circle can be something like this. Okay, so it can move like this. Okay, and we are expected to find this. Now we need to use the concept which we have studied over here. So this is the concept that we will be using, and using that concept we will solve this question. So we will start off by writing the following statement. The required equation of the circle that passes through the point of intersection of the chord and the circle is given to be of the form x squared positive y squared negative 16 positive lambda of 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0. So this is the form. Now if I were to rewrite this, I would be getting an equation of this nature: x squared positive y squared positive lambda times, or I would write it as 3 times lambda x positive lambda times y positive 5 times lambda negative 16 is equal to 0. Now we know that the general equation, or the equation of the circle in general form, right, is given to be as x squared positive y squared positive 2gx positive 2fy positive c is equal to 0. So if I were to obtain the center is negative g comma negative f. Okay, so to obtain the center, what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to be equating 2 with 1. To obtain the center, we will equate 1 with 2. So this means I've got 2gx is equal to 3 times lambda x, so x and x will be cancelled. Now whenever we are equating, we will be following this procedure. So I would now have 2g is equal to 3 lambda and g is equal to 3 lambda divided by 2, and the other side is going to be 2 times fy is equal to lambda y, and 2f is equal to lambda, and f is equal to lambda divided by 2. So the center is negative 3 lambda divided by 2, because it's negative g followed by negative lambda over 2. So this is the center. But we know that, or we can use the word given that 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0 is the diameter of the circle. Okay, diameter of the circle. So this would mean negative 3 lambda over 2 comma negative lambda over 2 will lie on the diameter because it's a center. Okay, so this would mean instead of x I substitute negative 3 lambda over 2, instead of y I substitute negative lambda over 2. Positive 5 is equal to 0. This is going to be negative 9 lambda over 2. Negative lambda over 2 positive 5 is equal to 0, which means negative 9 lambda. I'm multiplying by 2 both sides or throughout. So followed by negative lambda positive 5 times 2 is 10 is equal to 0. So negative 10 lambda is equal to negative 10. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1. So this would mean the first equation which we have taken, okay, which is of the form x squared positive y squared negative 16 positive lambda times of 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0 will become, so lambda is equal to 1 substituted there, so it's going to be x squared positive y squared negative 16 positive 1 of 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0. So this is going to be x squared positive y squared negative 16 positive 3x positive y positive 5 is equal to 0. I can rewrite this as x squared positive y squared positive 3 times x positive y 5 added with negative 16, that is going to be negative 11 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. You can state it there, which is the required equation of the circle. Okay, so that completes the solution for this question.